Start of the ball game. Talaga yung boses ko. Eto, first possession, out of bounds. Last touch. Pwede yung kayo manood sa YouTube channel, Core Vision 2. 3-pointer! Agad full tapis. Grabe. The underdogs. Kakagat. Stand sa cellphone. At binawian agad by Sanoria, a former teammates. There's a steal. Body's down. Tingnan natin yung last play. Sorry. Di nakuha ng replay. There's a foul committed by 24, holding foul, Mojado. Shout out to 4,000 live viewers. Grabe yung supportan nyo, solid. Pasok yung unang free throw. Pasok yung dalawa. There's a steal. Kick out to Bahinting. 4-3. Pasok yan. For Bahinting. Ball out of bounds. Balik ang bola sa Davao Durians. Sanoria at Sac. Pass to Pellegrino. Pellegrino finds Bahinting in the corner. 3-pointer. 3-pointer Bahinting. Tapis. Fires a 3. Mintes. Sa gitna, turnover steal by Ityong. Mojado with the ball. Finds Tapis. Faking. Against Sanoria's former teammates. Faustino in traffic. Mojado. To Montaño at sa spinning. Jumper. Yes, sir! Montaño. Napakaganda matchup doon. Montaño against Bahinting. Magkasing tangkad lang. Bahinting to Pellegrino. Pellegrino. Kick out to Cayetano. And a putback is good. Nakalimutan nila yung box out kay Sanoria. And a turnover. Steal by Pellegrino. Nabitaw ng bola. Baterbonia. Fouled by the small guy, Montaño. Eto. Pellegrino attacks. Find Cayetano. Miss the 3-pointer. Pero Sanoria saktong-sakto andun sa ilalim for the putback and score for Davao City. 5,000 live viewers. Maraming salamat po. $5,100 live viewers. Rebound by Cuevas. 5 puntos. Ayun, steal. And nadulas si Pellegrino. Hindi nahabol yung bola. Score natin 10-5. Shoutout Hana Alihan. Montaño. Find Tapis. And score 2 points. Eto, yung game plan. They need to quick yung mga opensa nila like yun sa mga layup kasi Butterbonia, yung rim protector ng Davao City, hindi mo pwedeng sabayan yan. Pag layup ka, talagang huhulihin yan dun sa ibabaw. Kailangan mo i-release ng mabilis. Butterbonia, bangga kay Cuevas. Missed the shot. Sorry. That's 10-7 ang score official dito sa ating scoreboard. Cayetano tries again. No good. Good backs up by Cuevas there. Dapat hindi talaga nila luwagan si Butterbonia. And Cuevas spin. Made a bank shot. 9-10. 5,500 live viewers. Ball loose, recovered by Pellegrino. Pellegrino hopping. Labas yung bola. Mojado. Eto. Mojado behind the back dribble. Almost lost the ball. Tapis asking for a screen. Taking the three to Cuevas. And scored back to back basket. Napakagandang set play for Cuevas doon. 11-10. Tapis feeding yung mga big man nila. Ayun! Yun lang! And a slam! Iniwan sa gitna, mag-isa. And napakagandang Paldo! Sasabihin ko na, Paldo na naman ang aking mga lodi dito. Tingnan natin sa replay. Two-handed slam by Butterbonia. Maaga, first quarter. Kick a pass, Indyong. Mojado fires at 3. Mintes short, Pellegrino. Kakakuha lang ang bola. Sinaw-saw, Mintes, Butterbonia. Steal. Ball last touch? Yes, last touch by Butterbonia. Asking for a foul there. Turnover. Steal. And Tanod scored for Davao City. 3 puntos. Montaños foul by Pellegrino. Eto, knockout play by Tanod. Indyong tried to pass it to Montaño but deflected and still scored Tanod. Ayan, from Tagum City yan. Tanod now playing for Davao City. An offensive foul called. Guys, 6,000 gawin natin bago tapos ang first quarter. Baka pwede natin gawing 7,000 live viewers. Three-pointer. Bolasa miss. Sanoya. Rebound behind the back pass to Pellegrinos. And the jumper is good. Daming option for the offense in the Davao City. Yun talaga yung problema nila, yung ilalim, yung rebounding. Cuevas, hinablot ni Sanoya and a steal by Bolasa. Sa gitna, Sanoya again. Sanoya playing, ito yung kanyang former team, Davao del Norte. Last year, steal by Tanod. Crossover, lost the ball. Tapis, steal. Tapis, road to move. Steal by Butterbonia. Sanoya against Ityong. Almost a slam. Tapis nagmamadali. Bangga kay Bolasa. And there's a foul. Grabe. Sakripisyo ang katawan just to make an offense. He is fouled. Ayun, no? Steal yan. And Sanoria at sa good challenge by Intiong. Ayun, no? Muntik na ma-put back down. 6,500. Second throw for Tapis. Pasok yan. 5 puntos for Davao City. Bulasa faking the 3. The separation. Finds Pellegrino. And what Intiong rebounding skills. Mojado, dancing, spinning, finds Cuevas. Dribble, labas mo ng bola to Tapis, asking for a screen. Tapis, and crossover! Pagpamasok, let's go! Grabe yung Tapis! Lumalaban! Pulling up that move against Pellegrino! And binawian! No, sir! Steal, Bulasa. Good challenge. Grabe itong Tapis, ginagawa lahat. And Sanoria scored. Tinapik palabas, out of bounds. Tingnan natin yung last play. You know, Tapis kahit saan andun. Depensa, opensa for Davao del Norte. $6,800 live viewers. Pellegrino. Push, Tapis. Fader. Tumama sa frame. Tapis. Mojado attack. Bigay kay Montaño. Jumper. The lucky bounce. Yes, sir. 17-22. 7,000 live viewers. Maraming salamat. Jersey number 13. Kick out pass to Pellegrino. Pellegrino is blocked by Faustino. Tapis. Then the back pass. Mojado score! Grabe. Showing hard. Walang takot. Nakikipagsabayan dito sa first quarter. And Sanoria easy to. A minute to play. Seconds to play. Tapis for 3. No good. Tapik bola. Offensive rebound by Mojado. Piso. Sinigurado. 21-24. Tatlo, hindi nakakalayo dito ang Davao City sa first quarter. Paterbonia, offensive rebound. No one can stop that. Paterbonia with an easy reverse. 11 seconds. Tapis. Floater using the glass. Paterbonia, rebound. 3 to shoot. And easy to jersey number 13. Time winding down. End of the first. Bola ng Davao Durians. Pahinting. Crossover. Steal almost by Mojado. Recovered by Bulasa. Bayanban to Pahinting. Driving. Nice drop pass. 2 points. may kasama pang foul. Start of the second quarter. Nahihirapan dito. Wala ka pwedeng iwan doon. Talagang tutulong ka sa depensa. Kahit sino sa Davao City kayang umiscore. Buhado. Binababa ang bola. Grabe yung... Oh, nice! Block from behind. Offensive rebound. Putang no good. Napakaganda sana nung pasa. Inabutan lang. Yun na yung sinasabi ko. Kailangan nilang i-release yung bola. Mabilis pa sa kidlat. Kasi yung mga players ng Davao City talagang bubutatain ka. Jumper no good. Butterbonia. And scored. Di kaya ni Faustino yung Butterbonia. Crossover. Dinadaan sa bilis ng Davao del Norte. Wala. Offensive rebound. There's a foul. No good. Eto na. Mula sa basket count. Umaharurot na dito ang Davao City. At gusto ng tuluyan iwanan itong Davao del Norte. Tingnan natin yung last play. Yes, 35-21, ayan. Pasensya po, i-update po natin yung score. Kasi yung score dito, medyo late yung pag-update sa scoreboard. Napakagandang N1 play. Bonus throw, pasok. Tapis. Tapis, long three. No good. Bulasa again. Pass jersey number 14. Biting for 3. Wala. Rebound by Tapis. Tapis nagmamadali. Step back. 3-pointer. Wala. Ball out of bounds. Shout out to 2,800 sa ating YouTube channel and 8,000 live viewers sa Facebook page. Cuevas fires a 3. Wala. Rebound by Butterbonia. Biting, there's a foul. Dun sa ilalim. Cuevas and Butterbonia. Quince puntos. Good D. Last touch by the white jersey. Inbound. Cayetano. Wala pa rin. 0 out of 3. Pellegrino. Nag-slow-mo. Finds Cayetano. This time, pasok. Nagpapainit lang pala. Tapis with the ball. Against Cayetano. Tapis with Buelo. Tapis Bangas Cayetano. Nabitaw ng bola. Still by Sanoria. Sanoria. Tutuloy. Lumipad. Pellegrino. Finds Molasa in the reverse. Sanoria. Offensive rebound. Cross pass to Cayetano. Nagdalawang isip. Pass to Pellegrino. Finds Cayetano. No good. Offensive rebound. And jersey number 23. 20 puntos na po. Pasensya na po. Pumipiyok na. Yes. Masakit na yung lalamunan, boss. Pumipiyok na. Ityong, yes sir. Wala na tayong boses. Pellegrino finds jersey number 17 doon sa baseline and easy 2. Ityong finds Cuevas, strip, steal. Pellegrino tinapon sa labas sa kanyang mga kasama sa bench, out of bounds. Tingnan natin yung replay. Ityong again. Score for Davao del Norte. 25-43. Biting. Cayetano, panglimang 3-pointer. Dalawa, pasok doon. Tapis to Tindugan. Tindugan, step back, 3-pointer. No good. Rebound by Bulasa. Bulasa, atake, nabitawan ng bola. Recovered, pass to Bainting and Cayetano drives and scored. Unti-unti na po lumalamang ng marami. What a bullet pass. Ityong out of bounds. Nil. Kontrolan Nil. Four minutes and 10 dito sa second quarter. Wala. Mojado. 3-pointer. Still no good. Wala sa rebound. Sanoria. Spinning. That's a traveling violation. Gustong dakdakin ni Butterbonia doon. Mojado. Nakalusot. He has fouled by Sanoria. Lomolobo na po ang Kalamangan. Si Bebaya, Mojado with the ball. Metes yung tira ni Cuevas. Kick a pass. Bolasa out of bounds. Dumulas. Mojado, double crossover, faking, and scored! Talaga ginagawa na nila kahit anong style, basta makascore lang for Davao del Norte. Jersey number 13. Jumper is good. 23-point lead for Davao City. Tapis against jersey number 13. Bounce passes to Cardenio. Kinaldag, nabitawan yung bola. And Sanoria scored. Mojado. Screen by Cardenio. Mintes. Sanoria rebound. Timeout tayo. 52-27. 52-27. Ang hirap. Nahirap ang Del Norte. Makahanap ng opening. Bulasa against Baya. Cross pass. Jersey number 13. May foul pa. So don't worry, ka na mag-spam sa message at na i-suspend. Penalty situation. 54-27. Baya to Tapis. And a steal by Sanoria. Mojado with the ball. Nabitawan. Faustino. Recover the ball. Finds Tapis. Fires a three. No good. Seven seconds remaining time in the second quarter. Mintes yung unang free throw. Another free throw for Davao Durians. Shout out to Idol Yoyo Gaming dra Santo Tomas. Pasensya kayo. Di na ko na mabasa ang inyong mga kuhan eh. Di na ko mabasa yung mga shout out. Castro, pasok. Cross pass to Mojado. That's a traveling violation. Point 10 seconds. 0.10 seconds. And that's the end of the second quarter. First half. Start of the ball game na po tayo for the third quarter. Sa gitna, Cueva spinning. Nabitaw ng bola, still by Sanoria. Finds Cayetano. Balik kay Sanoria, Tubahinting. 3-pointer for Pellegrino. Start of the third quarter. Shout out pa rin Tristan Ganyera. Shout out. Happy watching na pre. Montaño nakalusot. Montaño spinning. Tinira. Yes sir. Hindi naabot ni Butterball niya. There's a foul. Ball out of bounds. No good. Shout out Monmon official daw from Don Robinos. Montaño against Bainting. Baya, balik kay Montaño. Drive, spin, fader. Yes sir! Pasok yan. 31-60. Floater, Cayetano, wala. Jersey number 13. Sa gitna, Cuevas. Quick pull up, no good. Rebound by Cayetano. Butterbonia. Cayetano. 3 points, no good. Butterbonia. Talaga naman. Di mapigilan. Tingnan natin yung last play dito by Montaño. Napakagandang move. Ayun. From Jeffrey Panes. Tama din yun, boss, no? Napakagandang tira by Montaño. May halong buenas na tira. From Ryan Gonzaga. Bahinting drives, nagmalas Schroeder. Sige, comment ninyo sa nindot na ko nga tawag sa ilang mga terms. Sige daw. Free throw, no good. 60-31. Jersey number 12. Almost lost it. Recovered. Ball out of bounds. Pellegrino, enough space. No good. And a put back by Tanod. Yan. Butter Wimbonia. Bato Salem got fouled. Batang bata. Bato Salem. 15 years old. Ayun na, nabitawan na yung bola. And Sanoria scored. 64-31. And there's a foul. Ito yung steal. Butter Wimbanyama daw. Yun si Butterbonia. And ayun, steal by Bolasa. Oh, block! There's a call. Stepping on the line. 6 minutes and 33 in the third quarter. Mojado against Tanod. Grabe yung depensa ng Tanod. Ball out of bounds. Cross pass. And backcourt violation. Turnover. Mojado pinilit, no good. Rebound by jersey number 1. Malakas yung... Oh, na-recover pa. Offensive rebound, jersey number 17. Kick up pass. Jersey number 13. (66-33). And still, shout out to Leo Espanto Daongkay from Davao City. Thank you sa 50 stars. Thank you po sa 50 stars, Leo Espanto Daongkay from Davao City. Shout out sa imo. 70-31. The winner of this ball game will advance to the championship game. Gold. Battle for gold. Yes, pwede kayo manood sa YouTube channel. Court Vision 2. Andun, maganda manood doon sa YouTube. Mojado, double crossover. Steal. Luwage, nagmamadali. Finds jersey number 17. Tinakbo na yung bola. Traveling doon. Ityong. Jersey number 1. Ityong. Di nakalusot. Mintis yung tira. 3-pointer. No good. Put back. No backs out. Scored for Davao City. 42 puntos ang lamang ng Davao City. 3 minutes and 30. Mojado to the big man. Jumper. No good. Ball out of bounds. Bola ng Davao del Norte. Scoop layup, Tapis. Kakapasok lang, score agad for Davao del Norte, Tapis. Tanod-tanod, jersey number 14. No good. Offensive rebound, Tanod-tanod. Tanod-tanod, fires a 3. Wala. Davao de Oro versus Tagum City. Next game. Tapis finds Cuevas. Block from behind, out of bounds. Shout out Madam Joey, Agnes, Mayor Agbon, Bulls, Tuto, Game Farm, and Lau Guillen from Boss Yanyan Malazarte of Matanao, Davao del Sur. Shout out po. (35-76) ang score. Corner, three-pointer for Tanod-tanod. Mintes, offensive rebound, put back. There's a foul. Tomorrow po yung finals. Battle for Bronze, 8 a.m. and Battle for Gold, 9 a.m.
Jersey number 1, Williams. Out of bounds, Irish basketball. Back to shoot. Back to shoot. Home jersey number 22, pushing foul. First team foul.
All right, back to the ball game. Fourth quarter. Yes. (83-44) ating score. Shout out from Rizal Asuncion Clark Sanupao. Oh, shout out Rosbrel Paibano. Jumper is good.
Williams.
44-85.
Jersey number 4, Pioneer.
47, that's three-pointer. Shout out from Manila, Knives Out.
First personal foul, third personal foul, first team foul. Back to shoot. Williams, jersey number 28, Williams.
Jersey number 2. Long 2, no good.
Good points. Jersey number 22, Williams.
90-47.
Remaining times, 7 minutes and 1 seconds. Williams, final quarter.
Shout out from Davao, Rosmay Jean Arisgado. Shout out to Jayford Escobar, Ian Gamo. Shout out James Labastida.
Next game, Donovan City.
Taligsik na lang. Taligsik na lang. Shout out daw from Tagaktan, Tugbok, Janmar Manyakap. Three-pointer. There's a rebound. Jumper is good.
Jersey number 2, Pioneer.
Block. Good D. Mojado. Missed the shot. Jersey number 20. 100 short. Mojado spinning. Using the glass. Wala pa rin. Shout out from Steve Tahon. Justin Elpa, shout out from Surigao del Norte. Kevin Kuro, shout out. 3-pointer, no good. Here's the number 21. Taking the 3, stop. Bastes. Yes, sir. That's a 3-pointer. 52-90. Five minutes and 49. Allow it rebound. Tapis. Totindugan 4-3. No good. Shout out from Mati City. DHM Malintad. Time remaining 5 minutes and 10 seconds. Block. Out of bounds. GM Avila, shout out. Urs Calonia, shout out from this league. Next game po yan, Davao de Oro versus Tagum.
Out to shoot.
Baya lost the ball. Out of bounds. Shout out Nutrition Depot, Tagum, J. Kanata. Shout out from Sinoron, Santa Cruz, Davao del Sur. Maraming salamat pala sa Ice Coffee. Brought to us by Madam Arian Lusgano, Manager of Newfoundland. And shout out also to Coach Joko Lusgano. Cueva spinning and scored for Davao del Norte. Shout out Mayor Bean Igui. Black. Shout out bossing Urban Clo from Carlo Tidalgo. Wala na pong laro ang Mati City. $54.92. Tano, 2 points. Shout out LCMVD from Yuri Luzgano. Pato Salem, aatake. Finds Baya, fires the 3. Yes, sir.
3 points. Losing number 13. Pioneer.
Jumper no good. Rebound by Cardenio. Next game natin, Davao de Oro versus Tagum City. Sa gitna, Cardenio. Finds jersey number 2. 3-pointer, back to back. 60-94. And Tanod. Baya faking. Fader. No good. Offensive rebound. Bastas. Pinilit. short. Tanod against Baya. Block. 2 minutes and 18. Jersey number 2. And there's a foul. Grabe yung tanod-tanod. In out dribbling. Crossover. Timeout tayo. Score natin. Baya. Spin. Offensive rebound. Nagtatawanan si Baya sa Noria. Former teammates yan sila. And ball out of bounds. 1 minute and 45. Iyawan ang mga tao dito. I don't know. I don't know why. Pato Salem. Crossover. Push. Finds Baya. Napalakas. Ball out of bounds. 1 minute and 35. Paterbonia. 200 slam. Yan lang yung mga hinihintay ng mga tao. Ito, Ityong. So, magiging slam dunk contest to. Mintes. Ito, Sanoria. Bang! That windmill dunk. 64-98. A 162. Ayun, may dunk contest na. 200. More seconds. Eto. Oh! What a slam by Paterbonia. And that's the final buzzer. Congratulations to Davao City. Advance to battle for gold tomorrow. 102